Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today is my birthday and I have so many beautiful unboxings to show you. Oh my god, I'm so excited because all these pieces are so rare, so special, and I've kept them because I wanted to unbox them on my birthday. So if you're interested, keep watching. We have some Hermes, fine jewellery, Chanel, Dior, so keep watching all my favorite brands. And also don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, which is this one here, where you can see my daily outfits, my new purchases. Come say hi, I would love to see you there as well. Let's get started. Little refresh. Oh, so good. Let's start. I think we must start with some fine jewellery. I love gifting myself fine jewellery for special occasions, my birthday, New Year's. As you can see, I'm not wearing any jewellery currently, so I feel a bit bare, but that's because I wanted to unbox my new pieces with you. I have actually already looked inside. I wanted to show you how it came. It is so stunningly packaged, and all these pieces are from Helas. It is a brand founded in Melbourne in 2014, and they specialize in pearls. They specialize in saltwater pearl jewelry, and the brand's core concept is pearlosophy. They contacted me, and it's even more special to me because it's on my birthday and I was planning to get some pearl jewelry anyway, so perfect timing. I do have, can you guys believe it, 15% off on fine jewellery, so I'll make sure I leave the code here if you want to check out their pieces. But let me open this box up and show you. I mean, a pure luxury. So I got myself 4 pieces. I feel a bit spoiled, but it is my birthday, so I'm allowed. So in here we have one of the pieces that I want to wear. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! These are from the Melody collection, and they're Akoya saltwater pearls, 18 karat solid white gold with diamonds. Don't these look absolutely stunning? These are such a great buy if you're getting into pearls. These are the perfect first time buy, so highly recommend these. You can't go wrong with a classic pair of pearl earrings. But let me show you the rest. So I bought a matching necklace. Oh, this one I think you will absolutely love. It is so special, so let me open it up. It is the Melody necklace. Again, we have pearls, Akoya pearls with white gold and diamonds. And look how nice it will match the earrings. So I wanted to buy a matching necklace and pearl earrings. You guys know I normally wear yellow gold, but sometimes, especially when I wear a full black outfit, I really want to wear white gold, and I don't have anything in white gold. I think I have one necklace actually. What's special about this necklace is that it can be worn in so many different ways. You can wear it as a choker, you can wear it as a longer pendant, you can adjust the length, and they have created this very unique mechanism. I haven't actually seen this with any other jewelry brand before, so you can adjust the length from the clasp and make it shorter. But what's also unique about this piece is that you can transform it, make it look a bit more different by pulling one of the pearls. So this pearl on the left you can pull down, and if you're wearing a v-neck top or v-neck dress, this chain just hangs and it looks so elegant but also sexy. I'm sure this will quickly become one of my favorite most worn pieces just because of how versatile it is. You can wear it daily as a choker with the earrings. I really love the combo. Alright, so there are 2 more pieces to show you, so let me start with this one. In here we have a longer box. I love the shape of these boxes. So it is, ta-da! This is actually the piece I started looking for. I really wanted to get myself a bracelet to stack with my Van Cleef. This one is a real 18 karat gold with Akoya saltwater pearls. So some of you may ask, what's the difference between a saltwater pearl and freshwater pearl? the rarity. Saltwater pearls are even rarer, and the production of Akoya pearls accounts for only 5% of freshwater pearls. You can also tell the difference by the shape. The saltwater pearls are rounder, also they're highly lustrous and they're highly reflective as well. They almost have like a mirror effect. You really need to see it in person. I hope it's translating well on camera, but in person they're absolutely unreal, and they're very, very durable as well. So let me show you what's in this last box. In here we have, ta-da, a matching necklace. Wow, it is from the Star Trails collection. This piece I highly recommend you check out because it is 2-in-1. So the length can be adjusted the same way by moving the gold bead. So you can wear it as a necklace or a choker, but also when you shorten the length, you can use it as a bracelet. So you get 2-in-1 for the price. It's such a great investment. Plus, their discount code is so generous. I still can't believe they gave me in my community 15% off. So I'll leave the link down below. You can see the discount here. Yeah, oh my god, I'm so excited to wear these pieces. Let me know which one was your favorite. What a great way to kick off this birthday unboxing, right? Next, I'm going to show you what I got from Hermes. This was a total surprise. Well, I wanted a handbag, but I'm patient, I'm being patient. So we have a magazine. Mayase actually said this is one of the best magazines they've had in a while, so I definitely need to look at that later. And then in here we have a tiny box. Tiny but mighty. Oh my god, wait until you see what's inside. This is such a unicorn. Are you guys ready? So let me show you. This has been on my wish list for more than a year, and it is impossible to get. I've been stalking the website because sometimes they restock and I always miss it. Alright, so here we go. Oh, by the way, can you guys guess the color? So Mayase gave me a choice between black, gold or toffee. Can you guys guess which one I decided to get? Leave a comment. Okay, I'm not gonna keep you waiting any longer. Who guessed? I picked the classic black. Okay, I'm sure many of you know what this is. This is the Constance Slim wallet. Actually, me and Mayase had a little joke. I went to the boutique and I honestly wasn't expecting to get anything. I went and asked for a Kelly to go, and Mayase was like, nope, we haven't received one in the color you wanted, so unfortunately you would have to wait a bit longer. Everything on my wish list, of course, is sold out. So at the end, Mayase asked me if there was anything else I was after. They know what's on my wish list, but in case I added some new items, they asked me if there was anything else, and I was like, do you know what, I haven't mentioned this item, but when I went to Paris, I asked a few times. I went to all the boutiques and asked around, and they always said, no madam, sorry, but we don't have it. And guys, it's so funny because every time I went and asked for a Constance Slim wallet, this was the exact answer. Sorry madam, with the head shake, we don't have it. So I was telling Mayase how I went and asked in Paris and the exact reply, and we started laughing. So Mayase was like, let me go and check, we probably don't have it, but let me go and have a look. And then they come back a few minutes later empty-handed, and I was like, is it a sorry madam, we don't have it? And Mayase was like, actually, I have a surprise for you. I'll even give you options so you can choose between these 3 colors. I didn't know which one to go for because I liked all the colors, but I thought the black wallet would look so stylish and I can wear it with everything. So yeah, this is the little Constance Slim. It has a belt loop at the back. I think I'll definitely have to film another video. I will review this and let you guys know how I find it once I start using it, but I'm super happy that I finally managed to get one. I'll let you know if it's practical. I will show you it in more details, how you can wear it. There are actually many different ways to wear this, so yeah, let me know if you want to see that video, but I'm planning to film it anyway. Here it is, the star of the show. This is my most precious, beautiful Chanel bag. This is the princess in my collection. I've been waiting to unbox this bag with you for over a month. It is one of the bags from my wish list. It is not current collection. I don't know if you guys watched my video where I talked about bags I missed on. This is a piece from 2017 and it's been so difficult to get hold of this exact bag in this exact color, so let me unbox it. I cannot wait any longer. As you can see, this is not a magnetic box, it's not the original box. This bag came without a box, but I was happy that I found it. It came with a dust bag. I've already unboxed it, so let me reveal to you. Oh my god, I will cry, I will cry. Isn't she precious? She is my little princess. Just look at her, look how precious, how delicate with the beautiful camellias. She's covered in camellias and she's in the most stunning metallic colors. So we have rose gold, we have this beautiful like champagne metallic. It is such a lovely combination. I briefly spoke about this bag in that video I mentioned. I'll link it above, bags I missed on from Chanel. I purposely didn't include this color. I think I showed you other screenshots, other variations of this bag. I already found this bag when I was filming that video and I left this bag last. I spoke about the bag last. This bag exists in all black, which is very stunning as well. Also black and gold. There was a all silver bag with only silver camellias. But this has always been my favorite since it came out. This bag, I can't believe it is in my collection. She's quite old. She's from 2017. She's not in pristine condition, but I got it for such a deal. Guys, this bag, I've seen this bag resell for over £7,000, and yes, the condition was pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, but when I found this one I couldn't believe the price. It was under £5,000, under £5,000 for such a special Chanel bag. I mean, I'm over the moon. Honestly, I'm over the moon. Yes, she has been worn. She needs a little touch up. I will definitely bring this bag to the handbag clinic, ask them to touch up some of the petals, but she looks perfect. And because it's in this metallic color, in sunlight you can't even see it unless you go really close up. You can't really see that the color, the metallic spray has worn off a little bit, and it's mainly here on the top. So I'm guessing the previous owner was most probably using it as a little clutch and holding it like this on the top, but she does have a long strap and she's so tiny. I will show you a side by side with a standard mini rectangle. This one is slightly smaller. As far as I remember, they did release the camellia bag in a larger size as well, but this mini rectangle is super cute. At the back it has the classic quilting and a pocket. It has champagne gold hardware. The hardware is in perfect condition, and then when you open it up, can you guys see the camellias there? It's just one compartment. I'm so glad that I finally added this beauty in my collection, and she will be my perfect spring summer bag. So I have two more Chanel pieces to show you. One of them I bought myself. I'll link my shopping vlog above. You might have seen that I went to collect something from Chanel as soon as I came back from my holiday. So it comes in this dust bag. So let me open it up. It is from the current collection, but this will be very hard to get. I know pieces like this are very popular, so if you like it, go ask your ASAP. It is, ta-da! It is a swimsuit. Can you guys see? It is so stunning with the ruffles. This you can't find online. They didn't show this on the runway. I didn't even know this piece was coming, so I randomly saw a picture on Instagram, but it looked like a tank top, and I really want to add more basic like tank tops, layering tops to wear under blazers. So I messaged my SA ASAP and I was like, oh my god, do you have this top? Have you received it? Is it new collection? She was like, yeah, let me check. We do have one. And I was like, oh my god, can you please keep it for me? I'll pay immediately, pay by link, because I was back home, I was traveling, so I was like, I'll come back in a week and come and collect it at boutique. I'll pay straight away because I didn't want to miss out. And she was like, yeah, no problem. She sent me a link and I was like, why is this top so cheap? Because normally tops from Chanel start from like £1,500. And then we were messaging and she told me it is actually a swimsuit, and I was like, oh. I didn't realize this was a swimsuit because I saw a picture on Instagram, but it was cropped. You couldn't see it was a swimsuit. But I was like, I'll still buy it because I absolutely love the print. I loved the frills. The frills really got me. It has an open back. And I love to wear these as bodysuits. So this is not only swimsuit, I can wear it as a bodysuit. It looks stunning, guys. As an evening piece, you can wear it casual with jeans, with shorts in the summer, with long trousers, like flowy style trousers. It looks so stunning, and it has CCs all over. They almost look glittery, and I was worried they might be glitter and the glitter will fall off, but actually it is fabric. It is a glittery fabric. It's not like a glittery spray that will come off when you wash it a few times. So yeah, super happy with this one, but then wait until you see the next piece. Hold on. Okay, so many bags and boxes around me. So in here, this I received as a gift, a very, very sweet gift. So I was like, ooh, this dust bag looks familiar. I was curious to see what was inside, and then I unboxed it the other day. And it is the exact same swimsuit. I guess my friends know me well. They know what I like. So now I have two, and they're both in the exact same size. I can't return them anymore because I think there is like a 14-day return policy, or like exchange policy actually. So I have two of them. I'll see, I might gift one to my mum if it fits her. If not, I would have to probably sell one of them, but yeah, I have two of them. And last, I have something from Dior to show you. Guys, check this out. Isn't this the most perfect summer clutch in raffia? And you probably wouldn't believe if I told you this was a free gift with purchase. Yes, so I went to look for some makeup. It was Mother's Day here in the UK, so a while ago, but I went to buy some makeup and they had promotions and gifts for Mother's Day, and they showed me this clutch and I was like, wow. I wanted to buy some makeup beauty products anyway, so this was a free gift, and it is such a nice summer clutch. I've already booked my summer holiday, so I'm definitely taking this. And then inside I bought another bottle. I actually spoke about this in my previous video, but I bought another bottle of my favorite Blooming Bouquet perfume, and I got myself some new lip glosses from Dior. I'll link my favorites down below because I've been wearing them a lot. But yeah, I wanted to show you this because it is so nice, and if you can still find it, I guess it's worth checking. I think Mother's Day is coming in the US, so maybe if you live in the US, it's worth checking. You might receive the same ones, but yeah, it's so cool. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's birthday haul. I honestly feel so spoiled. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which one was your favorite item that I unboxed. Thank you so much for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!